In 2025, earning passive income with cryptocurrency can be both safe and rewarding, especially for beginners. Let's dive into 3 simple strategies that can help you get started: staking, lending with stablecoins, and Layer 1 chain rewards. First up is staking. Staking is a process where you lock up your cryptocurrency to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards, typically in the form of additional coins. Platforms like Coinbase make this incredibly easy. For instance, if you stake Ethereum on Coinbase, you can earn around 4-6% APY. It's a straightforward way to grow your holdings without needing to trade actively. Just remember, the longer you stake, the more rewards you accumulate, so patience is key. Next, let's talk about lending, particularly with stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to traditional currencies, like the US dollar, which minimizes volatility. By lending your stablecoins on platforms like Lido, you can earn yields of around 8 to 12% APY. This is a great way to earn passive income while keeping your funds relatively stable. You simply deposit your stablecoins and the platform takes care of the rest, lending them out to borrowers and sharing the interest with you. It's a low-risk strategy that can help you build your crypto portfolio steadily. Now let's explore Layer 1 chain rewards. Layer 1 blockchains, like Ethereum or Solana, often have built-in incentives for users who participate in their ecosystems. By holding and using their native tokens, you can earn rewards through various mechanisms, such as transaction fees or governance participation. For example, using Layer 0, you can connect different blockchains and earn rewards for facilitating transactions across networks. This not only diversifies your income streams, but also allows you to engage with the growing DeFi landscape. Throughout these strategies, it's crucial to choose reputable platforms. Always check for security features, user reviews, and the transparency of the yield rates. Remember, while the potential for earning is exciting, the safety of your investments should always come first. As you explore these options, keep in mind the $250 giveaway we're offering. It's a great opportunity to kickstart your journey into passive income with crypto. By focusing on staking, lending with stablecoins, and Layer 1 chain rewards, you can build a solid foundation for earning passive income in the crypto space. With the right strategies and platforms, you'll be well on your way to financial growth in 2025.